Good morning students. Welcome to our online session. We discussed about writing letter, formal letter. Today again we are going to discuss how to write another formal letter. Every formal letter has the same format just like we discussed. Again let us recall the format of formal letter. Just like you know, the formal letter, you have to start with the sender's address. After the sender's address, you have to write the date. After the date, after leaving one line, you have to write the addressee's address. After the addressee's address, you are supposed to write subject, then salutation, then the content of the letter, body of the letter, then subscription, and finally we can end our letter with the sender's name. This is the format of a formal letter. Today we are going to discuss another formal letter. It is placing order letter. So in a placing order letter, there will be a buyer. In this letter, through this letter, a buyer seeks information regarding the product or service of his need. An order can be placed with an inquiry or without an inquiry if the buyer already knows about the product, manufacturer, the seller or the supplier through a catalog or advertisement, etc. The objective is to provide the vendor, means the seller, with the detailed instructions for fulfilling an order. Whatever things you wanted to buy, you are giving a detailed list of the product. It also serves as a legal record for transaction and consequently should be written with care. While writing a letter for placing an order, paying attention to details is crucial. The reader will fill your order according to your instruction. In the order letter, you should provide only that information relevant to accomplish the objective of making a purchase. So, the information that you have to include are what the item is, what are the things that you want to buy, the terms of purchase, and specific shipping instructions should be given in there. Then you have to organize your letter properly. Organizing your order letter will establish a logical order in which you should present your information. So, all the information should be, what all details you want to include, that should be organized properly. So, begin by creating a list of points that your letter will address and then put them in a sequential order that will best help your reader comprehend your letter. Write your letter in a natural sounding way and a formal tone. An order letter should close in a professional manner, very professionally. And look for accuracy, clarity, and a sense of completeness. There shouldn't be any ambiguous words in your letter. Everything should be very clear. So again, when we talk about the format of the letter, the format of placing order letter is same as the format of formal letters. While you write the letter, the following points must be included in the body of the letter for placing an order. So, it is best to divide the body of letter into clear paragraphs, just like we discussed in the other letters. So, the first paragraph is the introductory paragraph. In this paragraph, we have to state clearly the purpose of writing the letter. In the first paragraph, you have to state very clearly the purpose of writing this particular letter. Then, for letters placing orders, you may state why you choose that particular seller or the dealer. Reason for selecting that particular seller. So, you may use the words like your name has been recommended as a supplier of quality products, or your prices are the best with a sizable discount. So, you have to state why you selected that particular dealer. In the second paragraph or in the main paragraph, you have to state the details of the order and must cover the following points. You have to specify the qualities of the goods that you need and the quantity also. So, both the quality and quantity should be specified in the second paragraph, which will be the main paragraph. And in the third paragraph or in the final concluding paragraph, you have to write 4 letters placing an order. You have to write the concluding paragraph should include the shipment or forwarding direction, how it should be sent, clearly stating how the order items will be shipped, or your preferred mode of shipment. Example, parcel post or passenger train or truck or lorry, etc. So the mode of shipment can be included in the final concluding paragraph. Then again, instructions regarding quality of goods or packing, insurance, etc. can be provided in the concluding paragraph. How it should be properly packed, what is your need, your request for insurance and all those things. Then you can mention about the mode of payment also in the concluding paragraph, how you want to pay, make the payment. Then time limit, discount, you can ask for the discount in the concluding paragraph. So these are the things that you have to include in the concluding paragraph. Again, you have to include the shipment, the mode of shipment in the concluding paragraph. Then you can demand about the quality of the goods, the way of packing, the insurance, then the mode of payment, then discount. All these things can be included in your concluding paragraph. And the last line of the concluding paragraph is usually followed by the subscription. You can write again thanking you, then subscription, then sender's name. So remember to give the details of your order in a table in the second paragraph itself. So this is how you have to write your letter, placing order letter. Now go through the solved example given over here. See the URL and try to write the letter by yourself. We can meet in our next session. Goodbye.